Namaste, welcome to Gita's Kitchen. Today's diabetic special lunchbox uses millet instead of rice and is quite satisfying. Here I have half a cup of foxtail millet. First we'll wash it with plenty of water 2 or 3 times. Wash it well 2 or 3 times till the water runs clear and then soak it in plenty of water for 6 to 8 hours or overnight. The millet has soaked well. Now we'll just drain out the water. Now heat plenty of water in a pan. When the water is hot, add this millet to it. Add the required quantity of salt. Wait till it comes to a boil. When it starts boiling well, reduce the flame to sim, cover it and cook it for about 10 to 12 minutes. It is about 12 minutes now. It has been simmering and see it has cooked very nicely and to a soft texture. Now we can switch it off and drain out the excess water. Drain out the excess water, then now just spread it out on a plate and allow it to cool. See, it has cooled down well now. Now heat a spoon of oil in a pan, add some mustard seeds, urad dal, channa dal, chopped green chilli, I have chopped 1 chilli and a few curry leaves. Add a pinch of turmeric to the oil. Now when the dals turn a golden brown, add in this cooked millet to it. Now reduce the flame and carefully mix everything well together so that it remains fluffy and does not clump together. I am just adding a little more salt. We added salt while cooking the millet initially, but I found that it needs a little more salt. Don't worry about the texture now. When it cools, it will become fine. Switch it off and squeeze the juice of a lemon in it. See, just allow it to cool down and our millet lemon rice is now ready. I am just adding a few fresh coriander leaves on top. See, for a good diabetic meal, not only necessary to reduce your carbohydrates, you also need to have a good quantity of protein and fiber. So here I have soaked some moong dal for about 1 hour. I will drain out the excess water. Take the required quantity of soaked dal in a bowl. See, this type of cucumber, you can even chop it with the peel, it is very soft. So just trim the edges and chop it into small bits. Add it to the soaked dal. You can use as much dal and cucumber as you require. If you have remaining the soaked dal left, no problem, just keep it in the fridge and use it again for another salad. Add some salt to this. Give it all a good mix. I decided to add 2 cucumbers to this moong dal. Heat a spoon of oil. Do a simple tadka with some mustard seeds, urad dal, 1 green chilli chopped, a small piece of ginger grated, Add some hing to it. A few curry leaves. Pour it over the Kosambari. Normally we add fresh grated coconut. If you like, you can add a teaspoon of grated coconut. Today I am substituting it with a piece of paneer, so it will add to your protein value also and more nutritious. So just add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of grated paneer to it and top it up with some fresh coriander leaves. Finally, squeeze some lemon juice on it as required. Now again toss everything well together, so that the salt, lemon juice, everything is mixed well into the Kosambari. We are ready to pack our lunchbox now with this tasty millet lemon rice. And a cucumber Kosambari as a side dish. Our diabetic special lunch is ready. Millets combined with protein rich moong dal and fresh vegetables helps create a balanced lunch. Follow and keep watching us for more such vegetarian lunchbox combos which are not only diabetic friendly, good for weight management, and also simple and easy to make with easily available ingredients at home and not time consuming too. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Gita's Kitchen and we'll meet again in our next episode. Thank you.